Bright Credit Builder is a financial product designed to help individuals improve their credit scores. Here's how it works. Enrollment. Users sign up for the Bright Credit Builder program, usually through a website or mobile app. They may need to provide personal and financial information to get started. Credit monitoring. Bright monitors the user's credit report from major credit bureaus such as Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. This allows users to track their progress and see how their credit behavior impacts their score. Savings plan. Users set up a savings plan with Bright, depositing a specified amount of money into a dedicated account regularly. These deposits are reported to the credit bureaus, helping to establish a positive payment history. Credit reporting. Bright reports the user's savings plan activity to the credit bureaus, showing a consistent pattern of saving and responsible financial behavior. Credit score improvement. Over time, as users continue to make deposits and demonstrate responsible financial habits, their credit scores may improve. This can lead to better access to credit products, lower interest rates, and other financial benefits.